Welcome back to my channel. For those viewers visiting for the first time, I've published other videos about accessibility tools for Power BI, such as keyboard shortcuts tools for checking reports for people with eye impediments, and screen readers. I use my eyes to manipulate my computer, to create Power BI reports, or assess reports to check if they comply with accessibility standards. If you like the videos, please subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to give a thumbs up to the video. In today's video, I will continue to demonstrate a set of keyboard shortcuts in the On Visual section of the Microsoft document. On Wednesday, March 10th, the last video introduces the first 3 keyboard shortcuts shown in the right bracket. I will continue to demonstrate the other 3 keyboard shortcuts in the Microsoft document in the On Visual section in today's video. Enter a layer of a visual by pressing the Enter in the keyboard. Exit a layer or visual by pressing Escape. Select or clear selection of a data point by pressing either Enter or Spacebar.